submit your first five.
Akong TV, shout out. Versus Mango Magnet.
Team Bani, submit your first five. Mango Magnet, first five. Jersey number 28, jersey number 22, jersey number 77, jersey number 12, and jersey number 86. From Team Bani, Akong TV, first five. Jersey number 12, jersey number 20, jersey number 2, jersey number 6, and jersey number 8. Let's get ready to rumble. Rumble. Team Bani ball. Aquino. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 86, Bill 1. Bill 1 for 3. Go! Out of bounds. Team Bani ball. Number 12. Aquino. Pass to jersey number 20. Balik kay Aquino. Aquino, pass to jersey number 8. Ganda naman nun. Rebound. Aquino ulit. Negative. Rebound by Integro. Pass to Escoro. Escoro ang unang bubutas para sa Mango Magnet. Escoro, pinasa kay Pinwan. Pinwan. Traveling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Pinwan. Number 20. Aquino. Aquino. Guarded by Escoro. Pusadas. Back to Aquino. Aquino. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 8. Aquino. Pass number 2 to the spot. Guarded by 2. Pinasa kay jersey number 20. Aquino. Block shot by Integro. Out of bounds. Mango Magnet ball. Number 22, Escoro. Escoro, sasagasa. Escoro, pinasa kay Leoncio. Leoncio, pinomba. Negative. Out of bounds. Same ball. Leoncio for 2. Negative. Rebound by Rosario. Pass to jersey number 20, Aquino. Aquino. Guarded by 2. Pinasa kay Aquino. Jersey number 12. Aquino, nakawala, Aquino. Traveling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Aquino. Number 22, Escoro. Guarded by Aquino. Escoro, nakawala. Escoro to Leoncio. Leoncio for 2. Basket count to jersey number 77. Leoncio. Number 20, Aquino. Guarded by Escoro. Pass to Aquino. Aquino. Negative. Rebound na naman. Block shot. May kasama pang foul. Foul by number 77. Leoncio. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus with a shot to jersey number 6, Rosario. Basket count to jersey number 6, Rosario. Negative. Rebound by Leoncio. Same ball. Aquino, block shot by Integro. Piso mula sa puso. Biggest Guzman to Aquino. Aquino. Negative. Rebound by Jose Rosario for two. Negative. Rebound na naman. Nakuha na naman Jose number 20. Aquino turnaround shot. Negative. Di Guzman block shot. Di Guzman binomba. Di Guzman for big. Negative. Rebound by Leoncio. Leoncio pass to Escoro. Escoro. Galing by Aquino. Escoro. Nakawala. Escoro. Ang galing mo. Escoro. 4 down to 1. Aquino. Aquino. Nakawala. Jumbo. Mango. Magnet ball. Trabaho darah Mary. Ayan, pulagan niyo ira. Ayan, SK, diyan ka SK, paano? Sige, mag-video SK ay, bantay ka. Jersey number 77, pass to Benoit. Pass to Escoro. Escoro for 3. Negative, rebound by Lecio, out of bounds. Bill one for 2. Negative. Out of bounds. Same ball. Escoro. Pass it down to jersey number 22. Escoro. Number 12, Aquino. Pass to Guzman. Guzman for 2. Pass it down to jersey number 2. Number 86, Bill Watt, Escoro. Escoro. Is still by jersey number 12, Aquino. Aquino, number by Aquino. Negative. Rebound by Escoro. Pass Integro. Negative. Rebound by Guzman. Pass to jersey number 21, Aquino. 20, Aquino. 8 seconds violation. Jersey number 20. Number 86, Benoit. Pass to Leoncio. Leoncio for 2. Pass it down to jersey number 77. Leoncio. Negative. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Aquino. Negative. Nakuha pa rin ang jersey number 20. Aquino. Pass to Aquino. Aquino bubig. Foul by number 77. Leoncio. That's her second personal foul. Second team foul. Aquino. Block shot by Escoro. Aquino. Still by Integro to Rosario. Escoro. Escoro for 3. Negative. Recommendation of 12. Aquino. Aquino. Out of bounds. Magnet ball. Number 86, Benoit. Pass to Leoncio. Leoncio nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 2, Di Guzman. Separate. Number 6, Rosario out. Number 5, Panoncio in. Official score 8 down to 3. Escoro. Escoro nakawala. Escoro to Integro. Ganda naman doon. Pass it down to jersey number 28. Integro. Out of balls. Magnet ball. Number 22 is scorer. Pass to Payupay. Payupay, Integro, Pinomba. Nigid. Nakuha pa rin Payupay, Integro. Nigid, follow up. Pass it down to jersey number 28. Number 8, Aquino, Garland is scorer. Aquino, pass to jersey number 20. Nugget, rebound by Leoncha. He's still by jersey number 12, Aquino. Aquino, sumagasa Aquino. Nakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 28, 77, Leoncha. That's your third personal foul, 13 foul. Pass to Paloncho. Paloncho, still by scorer. Scorer na naman ang mahawak ng bola. Scorer, sumagasa. Basket down to jersey number 22. Score! 14 down to 3. Number 20, Aquino to Paloncho. Paloncho for 2. Nigid, rebound ng Integro. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by jersey number 20, Aquino. Mango Magnet. And this game is brought to you by Headline Construction, ang construction ng bayan Matibay. And this game is brought to you by Akong TV. Number 86, Binuan. Pass to Payupay. Payupay for 2. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 2, Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Pass to jersey number 8, Aquino. Time remaining 57 seconds to end the first period. Aquino to Panoncho. Panoncho sumagasa. Block shot. Rebound by jersey number 7, Leoncho. Score na naman. Score. Block shot. Out of bounds, Steve Bonipo. Time remaining 41 seconds to end the first period. Number 20, Aquino. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 nakawala. Pinasa kay Panoncho. Panoncho. Nigid. Rebound by Leoncho. Leoncho. Pass to score. 18 seconds. Leoncho. Pass Integro. Basket count to jersey number 77. 8 seconds to end this period. Kickball. Symbol. Time remaining 5 seconds to end the first period. Aquino. Negative. And that is the end of this first period. 16 down to 3 in favor of your team, Mango Magnet. Pass to Paloncho. Foul by number 12 by Yupay. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Pass to jersey number 20. Balik kay number 12, Aquino. Dumiretso, Aquino. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 86, Binuan. Binuan. Pass to Leoncho. Leoncho sumagasa. Euro step. Negative. Rebound by Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Pass to Aquino. Aquino to jersey number 12. Napitawan ang bola. Steve. Jersey number 8, nakuha na naman ang bola. Aquino. Pass to jersey number 20. Jersey number 20 for 3. No good. Balik na naman Panocho. Panocho to jersey number 12. Negative. Rebound by Leoncio. Tayupay. Offensive foul. Jersey number 12 by Yupay. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ingay bulat na.
Now turn to Aquino. Aquino, nakawala. Aquino. Pass it down to jersey number 20. Aquino. Binwan. Guarded by Panocho. Binwan, di diskarte para sa Man United. Binwan, nakawala. Binwan. Pass integral. Rebound by jersey number 2. Di spot. Pass to Aquino. Aquino to jersey number 20. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sablet. Number 12 by Yupay. Out. Number 14. Kale in. Pass to jersey number 8. Aquino. Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 for 3. Never yes sir. Passing down to jersey number 8. Aquino. Number 86, Binwan. Binwan guarded by Panocho. Binwan nakawala. Pass to Escoro. 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 Pass to Leoncio. Balik na naman kay Binwan. Binwan for 2. Negative. Rebound na naman kay Guzman. Di Guzman, nagpapadali, hawak ng bola. Di Guzman, sasagasa. Di Guzman. Negative. Rebound by Integro. Integro, nagsasagasa. Negative. Rebound by Leoncio. Leoncio na naman. Pass to Kale. Nakuha na naman ni Aquino. Binwan. Binwan. Still by jersey number 8, Aquino. Aquino to Panocho. Panocho. Basket count to jersey number 5, Panocho. Integral to Binwan. Binwan, nakawala. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 5, Panocho. That's your first personal foul. One bonus people shot to jersey number 86, Binwan. Basket count to jersey number 86, Binwan. 19 down to 9. Number 20, pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman, Pinonba. Di Guzman. Bang! Nakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 20. Number 28, Integro. That's your first personal foul. 17 foul. Bonus video shot to jersey number 2, Di Guzman. Rebound naman, out of bounds. Mango magnet ball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Binwan, pass to Kale. Kale, sasagasa. Nabitawan na naman. Aquino naman ang mahawak na bola. Aquino, bang! Pass to Kale, jersey number 12, Aquino. Binwan, pinasa kay Escoro. Escoro for 3. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino, namamadali. Aquino. Basket count to jersey number 8, Aquino. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng Mango Magnet. Binwan. Nakuha na naman. Nakakuha na. Mango. Timbali ball. Negro. Baba sa apat ang kalamangan ng Negro. Pinwan. Pasok Kale, sumagasa. Follow up, pasok ka sa jersey ng Negro. Integro.
Uy, lagi kata na. Ang kiniti bola.
Palonso. Number 21, Integro. Isu by jersey number 20. Aquino. Negro rebang by Leonso. Number 2. Pasok Kale, Integro. Paso Leonso. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 2. Pushing foul.
Kau ini aligan mo. Makinong kayo marundun.
Number 2 by Yupay. Kaya tabi po kayo dyan. Sabrap. Palonso out. Rosario in. Anawin ka, Rosario. Kale. Pass to Integro. Integro naman ang may hawak ng bola. Integro. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 6, Rosario. That's the first personal foul. Second team foul. Pinwan. Guarded by Rosario. Pass to Leonso. Leonso for 2. Neged. Rebound by Aquino. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 Aquino sa sagasa. Out of bounds. Neged foul.
Nari siguro sarili to.
Number 86, Pinwan. Pinwan for 2. Neged. Rebound by Di Guzman. Pass to Rosario. Rosario sumagasa. Neged. Out of bounds. Symbol. Pass to jersey number 8, Aquino. Neged. Rebound by Leonso. Pass to Payupay. Balikan naman ang depensa para kay Pinwan. Pinwan to Kale. Kale for 3. Neged. Rebound naman nakuha ni Payupay ang bola. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 12. That's your first personal foul. 13 foul. Payupay. Pass Integro. Integro nakawala. Pass it ka sa jersey number 20. Integro. 23 down to 15. Number 20. Aquino for 3. Neged. Rebound by jersey number 12. Neged. Rebound by Leonso. Leonso to Pinwan. Pinwan sa sagasa. Pinwan. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 12. That's your second personal foul. Foul. Pass it count to jersey number 86. Another bonus with the to jersey number 86. Neged. Rebound jersey number 12. Aquino. Pass to number 20. Pass it count to jersey number 20. Number 86, guarded by Aquino. Pin 1, nakawala. Basket na naman. Negative. Rebound by number 2. Bilis pa, pass to Aquino. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Bang! Takbong mayaman, Aquino. 24 down to 20. Babaan po sa 4 ang kalamangan. Kale, pass to Pin 1. Pass to Leoncio. Leoncio fadeaway shot. Basket count to jersey number 77. Number 20. Pass to number 12. Aquino. Grounded by Payupay. Pass to jersey number 20. For 3. Negative. Rebound na naman. Nakuha ni Pin 1 ng bola. Pin 1 to Kale. Kale sa pag-asa. Basket count to jersey number 14. Kale. 24 seconds to end the second period. Basket time to jersey number 12, Aquino. 21 seconds to end the second period. Out of bounds. Sebo. 25 seconds to end the second period. Out of bounds. Team Banipo. Time remaining 25 seconds to end the second period. Number 8, Aquino. 19 seconds. Aquino for 3. Bang! Takbong mayaman, Aquino. Baba na po sa tatlong kalamangan. 8 seconds to end the second period na nakuha pa ng ball. Foul by number 6, Rosario. Penalty shot. Penalty shot to jersey number 86, Pin 1. Time remaining 7 seconds to end this period. Basket count to jersey number 86. Another bonus with the shot to jersey number 86, Pin 1. Negative, Integro. Basket count. 3 seconds. Negative, and that is the end of the second period. 31 down to 25 in favor of Beauty Mango Magnet.
Mga perde, kumanya, talong report ko at naging para 5 kamo. Yun naman, 5 lupos, maligaran din doon ng integro. Ligari get din na.
Sira sir. Score. Garden by Aquino. Score. Pass to Integro.
Dora,
Foul by number.
Dora dan.
Number 6, pushing foul.
Dora.
Jersey number 6, Rosario. That's your third personal foul. First team foul.
Sure mo, integra. Sure.
Negative. Another bonus with the shot to jersey number 28, Integro.
Bagsak.
And this game is brought to you by SPP, ang samahan ng mga poging referee. Rebound by Guzman.
Tas kamay.
Guzman, guarded by Integro. Guzman. Napitawan, skill by Kale. Kale, pass to score. Score, pumukul ng 3. Bang! Takbong mayaman, score.
Tas kamay.
Aquino, pass to jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 20. Bang! Takbong mayaman, Aquino.
Ligare.
Pin 1, Big Tegra, skill na naman ni Guzman. Pass to Aquino. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 22 is Soro. That's our first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus with the shot to jersey number 12, Aquino. Pass Basket count to jersey number 12. Another ball is being shot to jersey number 12.
Ito! Super dami para dito yung guard.
Basket count to jersey number 12. Aquino.
Super ka,
Taking
super ka.
ball down to 29.
Gari ka.
Kale. Back to Scoro. Scoro guarded by Aquino. Scoro. Pass to Binwan. Binwan ang sasagasa. Binwan. Negative. Rebound by Rosario. Steal by Leoncio. Leoncio binaba. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 6 Rosario. Pushing foul. That's her fourth personal foul. Warning for graduation night. Bonus being shot to jersey number 77, Leoncio.
Simbong.
Negative. Another bonus being shot to jersey number 77, Leoncio.
Ito, ito. Ito, Ligare. Bigay, ito, Ligare.
Negative. Rebound by jersey number 12, Aquino. Aquino guarded by Scoro. Pass to jersey number 8, jersey number 8. Negative. Rebound by Leoncio na naman. Leoncio. Steal by jersey number 12, Aquino. Pass to jersey number 20, Aquino. Aquino number 3. Guarded by Scoro. Aquino, napitawan. To Rosario. Out of bounds. Magnet ball. Sabret. Kaya out by Lupay in.
Hey! Arbe!
24 down to 29.
Integra. No, alanganin. Dundun balik bola, tugam.
Pass to Binwan. Binwan guarded by Rosario. To Scoro. Scoro nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 20. Jersey number 20. That's a second personal foul.
Kaya nato ko skoro.
Second team foul.
Bola, Arbe, bola, Arbe.
Pass to Scoro.
Pekasa.
Scoro guarded by Aquino. Scoro nakawala. Scoro to Integro. Nice connect. Basket count to jersey number 28.
Hey, pagkili mo ba?
26 down to 29. Time remaining 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Pass to Aquino. Aquino naman. Nakawala. Aquino. Out of bounds. Mandel ball.
Bado, bola, suporta, bola.
Payupa. Pass to Scoro. Scoro naman ang kakamada. Para sa Mandel.
Bado, Arbe, yun mo.
Scoro guarded by
Hey,
Aquino.
Lupos, hey! Lupos!
Scoro, nakawala. Scoro ng solo. Negative. Rebound pa jersey number 12. Aquino. Aquino, nagpapamadali. Jersey number 12, nagpapamadali. Negative. Rebound pa Leoncio. Leoncio Bendigo. Integro. Basket count to jersey number 28.
Ito, yun mo.
Number 8, Aquino.
Oh!
Number 20, Aquino. To Diguspan. Diguspan. Basket count to jersey number 2, Diguspan. 38 down to 31. Number 86, Binwan. Guarded by Rosario. Binwan, nakawala. Pinasa kay jersey number 12, Payupay. Traveling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Payupay. Sabret. Rosario out. Panocho in.
Tom! 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 Ada pa yung puso. Oh!
Number 12. Diguspan. Out of bounds, symbol. Sabret. Aquino. Follow up. Negative rebound by Payupay. Payupay to Scoro.
Harabe, may lupos.
Number 22 score.
Sinasangla, ano ka din mga lupos?
Aquino, score. Diskarte, score. Try to shoot. Score. Score ng solo. Basket foul to jersey number 22, score. 40 down to 31. Aquino to jersey number 20. Aquino, turn around. Aquino. Basket foul to jersey number 20. Aquino.
Tom, diskarte.
Babasa ito ang kalamangan. Score. Paso Kale. Kale to Integro. Integro, pumukul ang tres. Nugget. Rebound by Kale. Kale to score. Score for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Guzman.
Taas kamay labas.
Number 12, Aquino. Aquino. Sumagasa Aquino. Basket count to jersey number 12.
Hey, time out.
Time out. Mango Magnet. Time remaining 3 minutes and 27 seconds to end the third period. 40 down to 35. Baba na po sa lima ang kalamangan ng Mango Magnet. Matira Matibay. Time remaining 3 minutes and 27 seconds. 40 down to 35 in favor of Mango Magnet.
Ako na nilagay sa nakam. Tawal ito ulit. Sa nakam. Babalo ka. Aray ka mo.
Bilwan naman ang didiskarte. Bilwan, dribbling the ball. Pasok Kale. Kale still by Panoncho. Panoncho naman pinasa ng jersey number 12. Aquino. Basket count to jersey number 20. Aquino. 30 down to 37. Baba na po sa kamdo ang kalamangan. Iskoro. Iskoro sa solo. Nugget. Riba na naman. Integro. Integro. Pinaka. Block shot. May kasama pang foul. Foul by number
Koloni.
12, Aquino.
Koloni man. Ano yung suto?
That's her second personal foul. 13 foul.
Hey! Release the ball! Garap dito! Adi, tarin.
Ayubay, pass to Bilwan. Bilwan, balik kay Kale. Kale, sumagasa, balik kay Bilwan. Bilwan, dumiretso. Bilwan, played away. Bam! Basket count to jersey number 86. Bilwan. 22 down to 37. Aquino, nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 22 is Scoro.
Rek, release the ball nga piri.
That's her second personal foul. 14 foul. Pass to jersey number 20. Pinalik na naman kay jersey number 8, Aquino. Aquino to jersey number 20 for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Bilwan. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 5, Panoncho. Jersey number 5, that's her second personal foul.
Tapos, ipanalo ka.
13 foul.
Hey, integro!
Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Kale for 3. Rebound by jersey number 12, Aquino. Balik na naman kay jersey number 20. Balik kay jersey number 8, Aquino. Aquino. Bam! Basket count to jersey number 8, Aquino. 42 down to 39. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Bilwan. Pass to Scoro. Scoro. Napitigan. Nakuha na naman ipayupay. Nabitawan. Kale. Nakakuha pa lang. Foul. Foul by number
Marco! Release the ball, kamo!
number 5, Panoncho.
Dito, Dwara!
Jersey number 5, that's your third personal foul. 14 foul. Sabit.
Dwara, pino!
14 are running for penalty.
Andi, release the ball! Ay, andi!
Bilwan. Paso Kale. Kali po B. Kali po Payupay. Payupay po 2. Nugget, rebound Integro. Balik na naman kay Payupay. Basket count to jersey number 4, Payupay. 1 minute and 20 seconds to end this period. Aquino. Aquino, nakawala. Aquino. Bang! Basket count to jersey number 12. Score na naman ang hawak ng bola. Score, Glenn Aquino. Score. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. Nugget. Rebound by Integro. 55 seconds.
Isi bola. Serok.
Babasa ng gawang kalamangan. Pinwa ng solo ang pinasa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 8. Aquino. Penalty shot. Jersey number 8 has the first personal foul.
Bagus.
Time remaining 46 seconds to end this period.
John. Lusok pa ba ini? Ay kumatong free throw.
Nugget. Another ball is being shot at jersey number 86, Pinwa.
Say pass day, bantayin mo.
Nugget, rebound is gone. 42 seconds. Rebound naman, Aquino. Basket count, nakasarap ang foul. Foul by number 12 by Yupay. Penalty. One bonus. Penalty shot. Jersey number 12 by Yupay. That's her third personal foul. Bonus shot to jersey number 20, Aquino.
John.
Babasa isa ang pangawangan.
John.
Nugget. Nakuha na naman Integro. Garo by Aquino. 21 seconds. Nugget, rebound to Guzman. 17 seconds. Still by score. 10 seconds. Integro. Nugget. 2 seconds. And that is the end of this evening measure. 44 down to 43 in favor of your team, Mango Magnet. And this game is brought to you by Modest. Malaking sugat, kayang tapalan, yung puso pa kaya na iniwanan.